Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to split screen in Windows 11. So let's get straight into it. So first go to the search bar at the bottom and type settings, and then just open the opt like so. And in the settings search bar, which is in the top left corner, just type multitasking and then click on the multitasking option that appears in the results. So from here, ensure that the snap Windows toggle at the top is turned on. So if it is turned off on your end, make sure to turn it on, okay? And then after that, open the app or program you want to split, like for example, Netflix here. So hover over the maximize button at the top right corner of the window here. And as you can see, a grid of layout options will appear. So select the desired position for your windows, such as the left or right side of the screen. So after selecting a layout, Windows will display your other open windows. So just click on one to place it in the remaining space. For instance, you can place Google Chrome on the right side like so. And then you can always hover over the maximize icon again to try other layouts such as a three panel layout and just snap additional windows as needed, just like this. And after that, it's done. So that's pretty much it. That's how to split screen in Windows 11. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.